surprise. You guys remember when Gomer Powell used to say that? I used to hate when he say that. Hello, Raw family. How is everyone doing? Yes, it's Wednesday. It's not Thursday. But the good news is this is going to be a two-part series. And one of the recipes I wanted to give you guys separate, but it's going to go with the main recipe tomorrow. But I wanted to give you guys this recipe so you can have in your arsenal, because you can use it so many different ways. Yes, we're going to do a homemade, from scratch, caramel sauce. And the reason I decided to give it to you separate, Halloween is coming up. You can do caramel apples. You can do homemade cinnamon rolls and spread the caramel sauce over it with toasted pecans. You know, you can do so many things with this caramel sauce. But anyway, I would like to say thanks to all of my new subscribers. You guys rock, rock, rock. And of course, you know, what can I say to my ride or die subscribers? I really appreciate you guys. You know, I'm not much of an emotional person, but I really do. I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you guys commenting. I am getting more comments. And yes, we're still going to do the culinary segment in October. And I'm not going to go live because I want to record it so you can go back to it. You know, if you miss some things, just go back to it. And you can take your time with it. But yes, and one more other thing, you guys. As I stated before, the holidays are coming up. If you can, if any way possible, start getting your non-perishable items, like your canned pumpkin or, you know, your sugar, your flour. Start getting things that are non-perishable, because as I said before, I kind of heard that there could be another grocery shortage in November and December. So you really want to kind of prepare ahead. And also look for sales. I don't know if you guys know, I am a Land O'Lakes fan. They had this butter that is regular $4.49 to $4.99 for a 4-pack for $2.50. And yes, of course, I got 10 packs. So I'm good for butter for the rest of the year. And yes, you can freeze it. But with that being said, you guys, let's get ready and do this homemade, delicious caramel sauce. All right, let's get this train on the tracks. Get this train on the tracks. All right, let's get started. Here we go. This is 1 stick of Land O'Lakes unsalted butter. This is 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. This is light Karo syrup. This is 1 can of Nestle's Carnation evaporated milk. We're going to need baking soda. We're going to need sea salt. We're going to need some really good vanilla I was telling you guys about. And also we're going to need 1 can of Eagle brand condensed milk. So these are the ingredients to the wonderful, delicious caramel sauce. And I'll show you guys what we're going to do next. Okay, this is what I did. I took the top off of the can of Eagle brand milk. And you see, I put water in it halfway up the can. And what we're going to do, we're going to put this on, I'm gonna say maybe a medium low. And we're just gonna let it sit in that water and cook. Because what it's going to do is give it a caramel, if that's how you wanna say it, a caramel color, like this real beautiful brown color. And I'm going to say This is probably going to take 15 to 20 minutes, but I want you to stir it maybe every 5 minutes, but I will let you know exactly how long this takes. But please do this step, guys. It's really going to help for caramel sauce. All right, Royal family, while we're waiting on that Eagle brand milk to get that caramel color, which is actually going to take about an hour, but in the description box below, I'm going to give you an easier way. But anyway, let's get started with the rest of the ingredients. So in this small bowl here, I have 1 cup of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of the Karo light corn syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of the Madagascar vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and now I am about to add the 1 cup of brown sugar and the 1/4 cup of carnation milk. We're just going to give this a stir. And then once the milk browns, we're going to put this in the pan with the milk and just let it do its thing. Okay, can you guys see this? Now I know the brown sugar gives it the brown color, but it's something about when that milk takes on that caramel color, it intensifies the flavor. But to make it quicker, I put it down in the description box below. You're going to take the can of Eagle brand milk. You're going to take your crock pot. You're still going to fill the water halfway up the can of Eagle brand milk. Put your crock pot on high, set it for 2 hours. And with this, you don't need to take the top off. And while the 2 hours is going, you can be doing something else. Because I just hate stopping and checking. But that will be in the description box below. So here's the mixture that we're going to add to the carnation milk and put it back on the stove. And when you see me again, this caramel sauce will be done. All right, we're crossing the finish line. All right, Royal family, here is the finished product of a caramel sauce in which I added walnuts because it's going to be for our dessert tomorrow. But I want to show you guys this. I am so sick from just eating this caramel. Look at this. Is that some kind of gorgeous or what? And I added walnuts to this. You can leave it plain, or you can add walnuts or pecans. Oh, I promise you guys, this is some kind of delicious. Look at this again. And can you imagine doing that with an apple to make the caramel apples? Oh yeah. All right, you guys, this is the video for tonight. I will see you guys tomorrow so we can finish our amazing dessert dish. Look at that walnut in there. Just one more time, let me tease you guys. Oh. Good night, and God bless you all.